Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to disable pop-ups and redirects in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your menu icon. Click on it and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your browser experience. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. From there, click on Privacy and Security. This section is where Brave lets you control how websites interact with your browser and what kind of content they can display or access while you're browsing. Next, you'll need to click on Site and Shield settings. This is the area that gives you more granular control over what individual websites are allowed to do. It's where you can manage permissions for things like pop-ups, notifications, location access, and other site-specific behaviors that might interrupt your browsing. Now scroll down through the options until you find pop-ups and redirects. This setting specifically controls whether websites can open new windows or tabs automatically and whether they can redirect you to different pages without your permission. Click on it to expand the options available for this feature. Finally, you'll see an option that says Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Select this option to block all pop-ups and automatic redirects across all websites. This prevents those annoying interruptions when new tabs suddenly open or you get sent to unwanted pages while browsing. It's one of the most effective ways to keep your browsing experience clean and focused. And that's it. You've successfully disabled pop-ups and redirects in Brave browser, giving you a much smoother and less interrupted browsing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.